Yes. What's your name again?
I told you my name, it's on the paperwork I gave you.
Tell me.
If you can't read it, that's your problem. Okay?
Michael Cassimaty.
Yes, that's right. Now,
My sister doesn't own this property, I do.
I told you before, I'm not getting involved in that. I have documentation from the Brisbane City Council, which you've been served with a number of times.
It was cancelled, it was vexatious.
No.
Yes, it was. Look, Michael Cassimaty, please get off my property.
No,
Get off my property.
I'm not going to.
Who the hell do you think you are?
I'm the person who's been told to come and do the work
What
here.
qualification? My sister does not own this property.
That's all right. That's all right. Look, I don't want to have an argument with you, okay?
But I want to have an argument with you. I'm saying that you had no right to be on my property, so get out of it.
Okay. Well, I'll tell you what's going to happen.
Show me the documentation.
No, I'm not showing you this because you'll throw it away.
No, I will not. I will
I've
read
dealt
it.
with people like you before. Now listen.
Who the hell? What do you know about me?
Don't raise your voice.
I'm a medical doctor.
I don't care. So what?
Yes, well, the Ingia Tran, who issued this document, is not a doctor.
Okay. Look.
She's a crook working for my sister.
You've said that a number of
My
times.
sister doesn't own this property, I do.
Look, again, we're missing the point.
I'm not missing any point. There's a bogus malicious complaint that I'm breeding mosquitoes which I don't have.
Well, you will in all that water.
Rubbish.
Okay, well, you're a doctor, you should know that.
I should know that, and I know a lot more about ecology than you do. Do not threaten me and get off my property.
I'm not getting off your
Get
property.
off my property.
I'm not getting off this property because I've been told to come here. Okay?
By whom?
By the Brisbane City Council, as I said. Do I have to?
No, you are not. You
have to repeat this all the time, or are you going to play it to yourself later?
I'm going to play it to the police.
Police? Call them. Call them. I don't care. Think I could worry about police? Come on.
You
now.
should be, because it's a crime against nature. It's a crime against me.
All right, but look.
What experience
How
do
about I tell you? What qualification?
qualification? What qualification?
I'll give you that paper.
What qualification do you have?
None of your business. So what?
When you don't have a card, you don't have an ID.
I don't need a card. I don't need an ID.
What's your address?
Why? Are you going to come to my place?
No, I'm going to take legal action against you. It's not funny.
It is funny because you're wasting my time with this legal shit. I'm using the legal stuff here, which is a proper document.
That is right. You won't even show it to me.
Because you've already been given it a number of times.
Yeah,
and I'm not going to give this one because you sort of people always throw them away and make problems.
What are my sort of people?
Yes. So what I'm going to do?
What do you mean your sort of people?
You. So.
I'm a medical doctor, graduated at the University of Queensland in 1983.
Are you a practicing doctor?
Yes, I work. I have a business called Golden Ant Enterprise.
I'm going to be here Friday morning.
You are not.
Friday morning with a rubbish bin. I'm going to clean up all this rubbish.
You will do nothing of the sort.
Yes, I will.
Get off my property now.
I heard you said that before. Right.
I'm ordering you to get off my property.
Yes, I heard you.
I'm taking legal action against you.
There you go.
Michael Cassimaty.
That's it. You've said it a number of times.
Greek.
I'm glad you can remember. It's on that form.
Are you Greek?
What?
Are you Greek?
Yeah, that's why you must remember one thing.
What?
One thing. Don't trust Greeks.
You think it's funny?
It is. Hey, Romesh, listen.
Do not call me Romesh, you call me Dr. Chakravarti or nothing.
Okay, nothing. How far back does your block go?
None of your fucking business, now get off my property.
You don't need to swear.
Get off my property.
No.
I'm ordering you.
I'm not doing it.
I'm ordering you to get off my property.
I'm not doing it.
Do not threaten me. Okay, you'll be charged with
What?
trespass.
Trespassing.
And threats. And threatening. You are not allowed to come to this property. Look, Cassimaty, I'm telling you.
Cassimaty.
I'm telling you to get off my property one more time.
Okay. Say it as many times as you want.
Show me what you're reading.
The paperwork that you've already been given.
I have not been given any paperwork.
Of course you haven't.
Are you the guy who offered to charge $40,000 to $50,000?
I'm sorry, what did you say?
My sister said that somebody had quoted $40,000 to $50,000.
I know, ridiculous, isn't it? It's terrible.
Who's
That's not me. That's the council. That's the Brisbane City Council said.
Bullshit.
Okay. Look, if you're going to ask me
The
a
Brisbane
question,
City Council
Ask
is.
me a question.
Do you know who the mayor is?
I shouldn't care less who the mayor is. They're all the same.
They're not.
they are.
It's Adrian Schrinner.
Means nothing.
Do you know who the Attorney General is?
Do I care? Do I really care?
Yeah, you should.
Why?
Because she's one of my connections on LinkedIn.
So what?
You said the council does not recognize my businesses.
That's a pity, because I reckon a bird sanctuary is a great idea.
I've been running this bird sanctuary for 12 years, so get the fuck off my property.
Don't swear at me, please.
Who the hell do you think you are? You're a very arrogant man, aren't you?
No, I'm not. You're the one that's getting upset over nothing.
Nothing. You're coming to threaten to damage my garden.
You're the one making stories up. I came here, I sent you the paperwork I've been given, I explained...
You did not send me any paperwork. I want this.
No, you've already got this. I handed
This is a
you the
different
paper-
document.
No. This is not... You've already been given this... Look.
What is the document that you have, and show it to the camera?
No, there it is. Look.
Hold it up slowly.
1 minute.
I want to see the letter of authority by my sister. I said I want to see what she's typed at the back. A letter of authority by my sister. As I said, she has no authority.
Oh,
Because she does not own this house.
okay.
And she's covering up for abuse of my father.
Can I see that? Facts and circumstances. Can you get that?
She stole.
can you-
She stole all my mother's money
All right, okay, that's
and mine.
Yeah, well, it's always upsetting. Facts and... Don't put that thing in my face.
Okay, show me the last page.
The last page, okay.
Show me the next page. No, slowly. Slowly.
Oh, okay, sorry. Now, don't forget, I'm trying to be reasonable. Okay?
You're being rude and offensive.
You're not being rude and offensive.
You're trespassing on
Right,
this
you got that
property. Hold on.
One's a whole lot. All right.
Okay.
Want the next one?
Yes.
Right.
Okay, show me the final page. Yeah, that's in gear translated.
Don't forget to get one of your so-called friends to sort that out. Okay, section 24(3).
I don't need friends. Show me the last page.
I just did.
No, there's
That's the last
another.
page.
There's another page.
Yeah, it's not yours.
There's
So-
another page written.
So what we
A
gotta
statement. A statement of authority by my sister.
I've already given it to you.
Show it to me
No,
on
I've
the
already-
last page.
I gave
there.
you that form 9.
I saw her
Wait
signature.
a minute. I gave you the form 9 from the Brisbane City Council that states all this. As you
I want to see the
No.
note that my sister has given you.
No,
Look, I'm telling you one more time, get off my property.
you can say it as often as you like.
I want to see the last page.
Don't touch my paperwork.
It's not your paperwork, you're
But
a
you haven't
crook.
got a what?
A crook. It's so obvious you don't tell me your phone. What's your phone number?
I don't have any need to give you my phone number. I
Yes,
don't know
you-
your phone number. I don't know your phone number. Why do I want to give you,
You
my
don't
phone?
know anything about me.
I know who you are. I've met your mother. I've met your father.
What do you know about my father?
None of your business. He's your father, not mine.
My father was the leader of the Tamil Tigers.
Don't care. Again,
You don't
information I
care.
don't
He
care.
abused my mother and me since we were
Look, this is going completely out of what we're doing. What we're doing, I'm doing here.
What you're doing here is in trying to intimidate me with bogus paperwork,
No, it's not.
and you are going to be charged for it.
Good, good. Tell them to come and see me at home. That'd be perfect. All right. Well,
Have you heard of Shannon Fentiman?
a what?
Shannon Fentiman. Do you know Shannon Fentiman?
No.
The Attorney General.
And
Have you heard of Interpol?
no. Do I have a need to?
Yes, you do.
Why?
It's
Why?
an international crime.
Oh, yeah. All right. Look. Can you? You're telling me you've got a bird sanctuary here, right?
Have you looked at Dr. Rom's bird sanctuary on the internet?
I saw that. Yeah. And you're saying the council doesn't recognise it?
Of course it does.
Oh. Now.
Everyone recognizes it. It's well known. You're a fucking crook.
Don't swear at me, right? I'm not swearing at you.
Yeah, but I'm very angry. You're not. You're
You can be as angry as you can be
a
as angry-
facetious, arrogant.
arrogant. Typical.
Typical of what? Of my type, huh?
Oh, what are you going to do now?
What do you mean?
gonna say?
What do you mean by your type? What is your type of black person? Is it?
Black person. Are you saying I'm racist? How dare you say that?
Yes,
to me?
I am saying you're racist.
Oh, that's disgusting.
And you're also crooked because you won't
also
show
a
me.
disgusting person.
I want to see the last page of that document.
No. You've already seen the authority that come in on your property. It's a Form 9.
It was illegal.
I don't know what you've done with that.
I told you it was illegal and I'm taking legal action against my sister Anningia Tran
I'm going by...
and Paul Maloney.
I hope you've got good friends in City Council because they're the ones telling me to do the work, okay?
I have a connection with the mayor, Adrian Schiller.
I don't care. You've said all this before.
He's the head of the City Council, you fool.
What'd you call me then?
I called you a fool.
Oh, okay. So...
Can I see the last page? Why won't you show it to me?
Because it's paperwork for me, not for you. This explains
it has
to
my
me...
sister's signature and it says authority.
Yeah, but something to do with it. Don't touch my paperwork.
I'm saying she does not have...
Don't touch my paperwork.
Well, get off my land.
Don't yell, God's sake.
Get off my property.
Don't yell.
Yeah, that. I want to see that.
No. All right, I'll tell you what. Seeing you've been so reasonable, you've called me a racist, arrogant, and all this other bullshit. Crooked. Oh, I forgot crooked. Thank you for that. Okay.
Very crooked.
Okay.
Show me the authority.
You like with that? You want a bit further out so you can focus?
Yes. Now get out of my property.
Now, what's going to happen, right, on Friday...
You're going to be arrested if you come anywhere near my property.
Goody. We're going to come here with a bin. A rubbish bin.
You're not going to do anything of the sort.
Don't put that thing in my face, please.
You're going to...
I'm going to follow the direction
You are
of
going
the
to be
council.
arrested.
All right, now if you can have a bit of sense about you, I'd like to know how far back does this block of land
It's
go?
none of your business to get off my property.
So...
I said you are trespassing. This is not... My sister cannot...
Do you know what the law...
My sister...
Listen,
I do know the law,
no,
yes.
you don't know, because I am allowed to come to your front door and carry out the actions as directed by the local council. Problem is I'm going to put up with someone like you. That's the main thing.
What I'm telling you is I have had this house for 13 years.
Right.
And I own the house, not my sister.
All right, I've heard you... Look,
my sister has stolen. My sister has stolen all my mother's money.
I've heard you say it. Just want to go
Do you not know this is part of my irrigation system and an organic farm?
What sort of birds you get here?
None of your business. I don't want to talk to you. My time costs $1,000 an hour and you will be charged for...
$1,000 an hour?
Have you heard of Church England Grammar School?
I don't know what you're talking about. No, I don't care.
Look, I was a scholarship and prize-winning student at school and I graduated at the University of Queensland in 1983.
I can hear you. There's no need to yell.
Yeah, but you're stupid and you're arrogant and you're trying to intimidate me. What's going to happen on Friday?
It's not what's going to happen. It is going to happen. I will be here with a team of men, right? And we're going to do exactly what we've been directed by the Brisbane City Council.
No, you haven't. You've been directed by my sister who's been trying to kill me for years.
I already showed you the paperwork.
My sister destroyed my garden and my business in 2015.
Then it's got nothing to do with me.
The reason I'm shaky is because the poisons that my sister and father got injected into me because I spoke out against their corruption.
Why was I supposed to do that?
Michael Cassimaty, I'm ordering you to get off my property.
Okay.
And do not come back here
I won't
ever.
come back here because I've told you. Is there any particular... I can't do anything about that. What would annoy you the most about this overgrown vegetation at the back here? If that was all taken out?
It's not overgrown and I'm forbidding you from coming to my house. I'm not giving you authority. And I'm going to send this to the police.
Good. You want me to drop it off for you? Because that's about as much good as it's going to do you. Bloody police.
What do you know about the police? Why did you say bloody police?
Exactly what I meant.
You don't like the police.
You obviously won't let me go at the back there, will you?
I will not let you onto my property.
What's this for?
Look, just piss off, will you? The water is not stagnant, it's flowing, in case you hadn't noticed. And there are no mosquitoes because it was a malicious report by Ingia Tran, who's working for my corrupt sister. It's not
Who reported it? Sam?
Sam, who the hell is Sam?
Oh, I thought you said Sam, that's all right. Yeah.
You're deaf as well.
No, I'm not deaf, you just mumbled.
I have Parkinsonism.
Righto.
You heard of Parkinsonism?
No.
No, you don't care. Do not treat my Buddha statue with such disrespect.
What is it?
Get off my property.
Just answer the question, what is it?
It's a frog breeding program. Did you know that there's a frog extinction crisis going on in the world?
A what crisis?
A frog extinction crisis.
Frog?
Yes.
Yes, it's called cane toads, because all the breeds we've got into this country that are not, should have never have come here.
They're
Work
not,
that out.
I think I know a bit more about it than you.
Yeah. What are you going to do with all this food?
Look, just get off my property. You have no right to come trespassing on my property.
Actually, this goes to show you that you really don't know what you're talking about. I do have the right to come to your front door, which is all I've done. Okay?
No, you haven't. You've been walking around.
No, I haven't gone any further.
I have refused you permission to come to my property, and you're spying.
I didn't ask you permission.
So you need my position.
Does your house leak?
No, it does not. It's my house, and it's none of your fucking
I
business.
just asked you a simple, friendly question.
You're not friendly. You are being very offensive if you have no insight into it. This is my bird sanctuary, so get the fuck off my property.
Stop swearing. I don't want you to keep swearing all the time.
Just get off, will you?
Hey, have your bush turkey.
I'm not answering questions from you, you fucking freak.
Don't swear. Have your bush turkeys made a nest?
They're not bush turkeys. They're megapods.
Oh.
They're not turkeys. They're descended from Matabarosaurus. Have you heard of them?
No, I haven't. I thought it was a bush.
Do you know their scientific name?
No.
Acturalathami. You're an ignorant, arrogant fool. So get the fuck off my property. I'm not answering. That's just, I've got enough.
All right, well,
I've got enough evidence against you.
Hey, listen, Buggerlug, hang on. So,
Did you call me Bagalug?
yeah, Buggerlug.
What the hell does Bagalug mean?
Oh. It's a term you use for people when you say, so, what's the name? Where's the bit that had your name on it? Oh, it's in your form. It's in your form. So how do you like to be called? What is it, John? What was it? How do we pronounce your first name?
Do not call me by my first name. You call me doctor or
No, I'm
nothing.
not going to do that. What's,
Why won't you call me doctor? Why won't you call me doctor?
what do we
I
pronounce?
asked you, why don't you call me doctor?
You don't answer my questions, so I don't answer yours. Simple as that. I'll tell you what, I'm actually looking forward to Friday. It's going to be a really good day.
Oh, this man arrested and jailed.
Oh, it's Romesh. Is it Romesh? Hey, is it Romesh?
Do not treat me with such disrespect, you horrible man.
Horrible man. Hey, is it Romesh?
No, it's not.
How do you pronounce it?
Dr. Chakravarti.
Yeah, I heard that. Well, how do you know your first name? You called me Michael Cassimaty, so this is a really big job.
If you touch one plant in this house, you will be charged
Okay.
with crimes against nature.
Make sure you get all these people's names you said to be here Friday morning, and then we can all sort it out. And don't forget, the main thing is you get some police here, because you're the one threatening them.
I'm threatening you with being arrested and charged. I am furious.